Employee turnover. No matter how you slice it, key positions are turning over at an unprecedented pace. As more employees choose to leave, the remaining team is burdened with all of the additional responsibilities, and there's only so much a person can get done in a day. Talk about burnout. And you know as well as I do, the cost of replacing an employee is expensive. Paying out PTO, recruiter costs, ads, referrals, not to mention additional overtime or temp costs to cover staff shortages. Turnover is just bad for business. So what's the answer? Employee engagement. Creating a culture in which employees are both highly satisfied and highly productive. The data is there. Highly engaged employees make the company more profitable. But leaders have to be willing to focus specifically on creating that company culture of engagement. Read my latest blog post, The ROI of Employee Engagement, to find out specifically what matters most to on-site managers, leasing agents, and maintenance team members. While not all turnover is controllable, there are things you can do to reduce it. It all comes down to leaders taking action to understand what their employees need in order to do their best work, and then be willing to provide the tools, resources, and support they need. Here's one tidbit for you. If an on-site team member calls, emails, or texts you, get back to them right away. Waiting for a response from corporate is one of the biggest frustrations reported by all on-site team members. Read on for more details.